Classwork 5.4 101 property of logs. Logarithms. State the 101 property of logs. If you have a log of a base x equals a log of a base b of y, then so if you have a log, one log on the left side of the same base on the right side, you can cross these out and x equals y. There's a couple restrictions. You can't take logs of negatives, so that means we have to assume that x and y are greater than 0. First example A, log base 3 of 2x minus 1 equal to log base 3 of 13. So there's a log on the left side, there's a log on the right side, and it's 1 and 1, so you can cross these out. 2x minus 1 equals 13. Do your two-step equation, add 1 on both sides, so that'll be 14. Divide by 2, x equals 7. B, log base 5 of 2x over 3 plus 5 is equal to log base 5 of 12. There's a log on the left side and a log on the right side. It's 1 to 1. These cross out. So it'll be 2x over 3 plus 5 equals 12. Then it just becomes algebra 1. Subtract 5 on both sides. Multiply by 3 on both sides. Divide by 2 on both sides. X equals 21 divided by 2. C, log of x squared minus 6, this problem should say a minus, equals log of x. It's a 1 to 1 log, so these cross out. So it would be x squared minus 6 equals x. Since there's an x squared and x, get one side equal to 0, so subtract x on both sides. X squared minus 1x minus 6 equals 0. Factor. So I'm doing algebra 1 right now. What multiplies to negative 6 and gives you negative 1? Negative 3 and positive 2. Set them equal to 0. Solve this so you add 3 on both sides, x equals 3. Subtract 2 on both sides, x equals negative 2. Now go back to the algebra 2 part, which is plugging the values back into the log. Is it easier to plug it into log x squared minus 6 or log x? It's probably log x. If I plug in 3 in here, you can take a log of a positive 3, so that's okay. If I plug in negative 2 in here, you can't take logs of negative 2. If you try it in your calculator, you get error. So this one doesn't work, and this is our answer. X equals 3. Last one, number to try. Log of x squared minus 8 equals log of negative 2x. It's a 1 to 1 log, so these cross out. X squared minus 8 equals negative 2x. Do your algebra 1. Since there's an x squared and x on, you want to get one side equal to 0, so add 2x. So x squared plus 2x minus 8 equals 0. Factor. What multiplies to negative 8 and gives you positive 2, positive 4, negative 2. Set them equal to 0, so take the opposites, negative 4 and positive 2. Plug it back in. It's easier to plug into log of negative 2x. If I plug in negative 4 in here, negative 2 times negative 4 is positive 8. You can take a log of a positive 8. So negative 4 works. If I plug in 2 here, negative 2 times 2 is negative 4. So this is extraneous because you can't take a log of a negative 4. So our answer is x equals negative 4. Thank you for your time. This is Classwork 5.4 101 properties of log.